Sohag Jewelers, timeless jewelry for generations.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Khana Khazana, New England. We are back with Aparna Grovi to talk about these delicious recipes and that are healthy and yummy. Welcome, Aparna.
Thank you, Shefali ji. How are you?
I'm doing fine. How are you?
Thank you. I'm good.
Yeah, so Aparna, we are so excited to talk about these healthy recipes that are delicious and yummy. And actually, I tried the avocado parato. It was so good, really
Oh,
delicious and healthy.
glad
Thank
to
you
hear
for,
that.
yeah, thank you for telling us. So tell us, what are you actually showing today, and what is the inspiration for that?
Yeah. Today I'm showing a granola bar recipe because सबसे ज़्यादा dangerous वही होता है वो snack time.
I
Because a lot
know.
of people eat healthy meals, but वो snack time पे बहुत ज़्यादा temptation हो जाता है and we end up eating something junk.
Right.
So that's why I'm showing this recipe today because I know a lot of people are working from home. बच्चे लोग classes सब online attend कर रहे हैं and they need something to munch in between. And I don't want them to eat something unhealthy. So, and this is homemade, so which means it has no artificial sugars or preservatives. It has only natural sugars. So, it's definitely healthier than what we get in the market. And you can always replace with your choice of nuts and dry fruits. So I'm showing a basic recipe how to make it easily without baking it. It's a no bake recipe, so that makes
Nice.
it less hassle free. So yeah.
Aparna, how long can you take this? Because granola bar to na maza aata hai. You can go for workout or eat after that if it is protein. How long can you store this?
You can easily store it for 15 to 20 days. You
Okay.
can just need to keep it in an airtight container and keep it in a cool place. Yeah.
और अगर
Because there
ये
is nothing involved which has like cooking and all, so everything is like dry fruits and honey. So yeah, there is nothing that really gets spoiled there. Yeah.
and अगर तुम्हें nuts allergy है तो you can do different things and in
Yes,
different ways.
yes, yes, definitely. Yeah.
So it's so exciting. I'm looking forward to this granola recipe. So let's go and see the video.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Kitchen Tales with Aparna Grovi. Today I am going to show you all how to make a granola bar at home. It is a no-bake, sugar-free recipe. It is loaded with proteins and healthy fats and a lot healthier than the ones that we get in the market, which are added with sugars and preservatives. It is very easy and quick to make. So without further delay, let's get started. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Oats, puffed rice, almonds. Here I am using salted and roasted almonds. I cut them into half. You can always slice them or use them as whole too. Chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, dried cranberries, peanut butter. If you are allergic to peanut butter, you can always use the almond butter too. For sweetness, I am using dates and honey. First, I am going to remove the seeds from the dates and grind them into a smooth paste. Do not add any water while grinding. Keep the pan on low heat and roast the oats for 3 to 4 minutes. Keep stirring so that they won't get burnt at the bottom. Once they are nicely roasted, remove them from the pan. Now add puffed rice into the same pan and roast them for 2 to 3 minutes. Maintaining the heat on low, roast them till they become crispy in texture and then remove them from the pan. Now add all the nuts into the pan except the dried cranberries and roast them for 2 to 3 minutes. Maintaining the heat on low, keep stirring the nuts. Here I am using the roasted almonds that are readily available in the market. So I am mixing all the nuts together and roasting them. But if you are using the raw almonds, then make sure you are roasting them first and then add rest of the nuts. After roasting for 3 to 4 minutes, once they start leaving a nice aroma, turn the heat off and transfer the nuts into a plate. Now take a large bowl and mix all the dry ingredients together. Oats, puffed rice, roasted nuts and dried cranberries. Add a pinch of salt if you want to. Mix all the dry ingredients well before you add your wet ingredients. Now add the ground dates. Now keep a pan on low heat and add peanut butter and honey to it. Heat them up till they are nicely melted and you get a thin consistency. Please note that you don't have to cook it. Now pour this peanut butter mixture into the bowl along with the other ingredients. Now using your hands, mix all the ingredients well. Make sure the dates and peanut butter is spread evenly into the granola mix. Add some honey if needed if you are not able to bind the mixture together. You can form round balls out of this mix and shape them as laddus. If you want to cut them into long slices like granola bars, then grease a pan or tray and spread the granola mixture evenly into it.
So Aparna, so if we basically don't use peanut butter, what else can you use out besides the peanut butter?
So you can use almond butter or any other butter, like any other nut butter you can use.
So
because I know some people are allergic to peanuts, so they don't
Yeah.
eat or they don't like. Yeah.
Yeah, somehow I think unfortunately the video got cut in the last part. So can you explain what happened after that?
You just spread it in the tray and keep it refrigerated for 1 to 2 hours, and then cut them into slices. That's it.
So basically, I mean, it's such a healthy recipe. You have all these nuts, you have khajur, like we call dates, you have
Yes.
peanut butter or almond butter. You can use this. So this is pack of proteins and all the nutrients, right?
Yes, yeah. Like you know very well that I always eat balanced diet, so I
Yeah.
make sure that my carbs, protein, and fiber, everything is there in every meal of mine. So
Yeah.
this is really good, and trust me, before because I have teenage kids in my house, and
Yeah.
for them it's very easy snack. Like for my older one, Sheetal, she always like used to eat these granola bars that are from available in the market, and then every time she used to complain that, Mom, I'm getting acne or pimples,
Yeah.
you know,
Or like
something that is not,
aftertaste.
something that
Yeah.
is not suiting her. And then I realized that there is something that the preservatives and chemicals which are not good for her. So once I started making this at home, now we don't like anything that is available in the market.
And the kids can eat it too, like younger kids.
Yes,
as
of
well.
course, because everything is like a healthy only. There is nothing that kids can avoid. So
Yeah. This is so
Definitely.
exciting. I love the recipe for granola bars and looking at the peanut butter, everything. Thank you for sharing with us. We're excited
Okay.
to for the next show to hear some great recipes. Thank you, Aparna.
Sure. Thank you. Have a great evening.
You too. Bye.